How to set up Folio or 8.5 inches by 13.5 inches paper size on Canon printer. Click Print User paper size must be in Folio size to set a custom paper size for a Canon printer. Go to the printer driver's printing preferences. Select the Page Setup tab and choose Custom. From the page size list to open the custom paper size dialog. Enter the width 8.5 inches and 13 inches height, then click OK to set the custom size for your print job. Why you don't use legal size when printing Folio size? The main difference is that legal paper is 8.5 inches by 14 inches, while Folio paper is typically 8.5 by 13 inches. You don't use legal size when printing Folio size because they are different paper dimensions. Legal is 8.5 by 14 inches, while US Folio is 8.5 by 13 inches. Printing a document formatted for one size on the other will result in a different output. And using legal paper for a Folio document will result in a longer, cropped printout or a distorted scaling, while printing a legal document on Folio paper will crop the bottom of the page. To print correctly, the paper size and document settings must match. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.